flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: